Welcome to my video on real estate investing benefits. Do they outweigh the risks? Hi, Tom here. I was in the same position as you, and honestly I thought real estate investing was for people with a lot of money or investing experience. Then I discovered this investing and education program that completely changed my mind about real estate. It's changed my life. In a moment, I'm going to give you a link to the program and you can check it out for yourself. There are many types of investments that investors can consider when thinking of investing their money. There's the commodities market, securities market, currency market, and the real estate market, among others. Depending on your needs and profit appetite, you can choose the right investment for your needs. There are many pros and cons of these investments that realtors should consider before making a decision. That said, it's important to note that there are many real estate investing benefits, including regular income. Not all investments can provide the investor with a regular income. For instance, if you decide to invest in the currency market, you can't expect to get any sort of income from your investment. And while stocks may be able to provide you with dividends, the dividend payouts often depend on the decision of the board as well as the profitability of the company. This means that dividends are not usually guaranteed. With real estate, you can be assured of getting a regular income from rent paid by tenants. This means that if you choose the right property, you can be assured of getting a huge return on your investment on a regular basis. Safe investment. Safety is usually an important factor of consideration when analyzing an investment. You don't want to lose a portion of your investment or the whole of it, so it is recommended you consider how safe an investment is before you invest your money. The good news is that there is no investment as safe as real estate. Even if property prices collapse, they'll still rebound in the future. After all, you'll still have your property, which will continue generating a regular income for you. This makes real estate a safe investment, which is a huge benefit. Capital appreciation. The best thing about real estate is that property prices usually appreciate over time. This means that whatever price you buy a property at, you can be assured of selling it at a higher price in the future. This makes real estate a great investment for long-term capital appreciation. Easy financing. Every town, city, or urban area has many mortgage lenders who finance both commercial and residential properties. This means that you can easily get financing to buy the property you've identified. With other types of investments, such as currencies, stocks, and commodities, getting financing can be a huge challenge. Look out for the next video in the series, Real Estate Investment Formula, the Ultimate Guide. To start your real estate investing journey, go now to m-c-k.net/MHBJ. If this helped, please give this video a thumbs up. To get notifications and new content, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for instant notification.